Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into DAX concatenation because sometimes two columns are better than one. Whether you're crafting dynamic labels or making your reports more insightful, DAX gives you several ways to combine values. The best part, you get flexibility based on your data needs. So buckle up because once you learn this, you might start concatenating everything, even your grocery list. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. All right, let's start with the basics. Concatenation sounds fancy, but it's just a techie word for sticking things together. It's how we make our reports more readable and meaningful. Imagine having customer names and ID in separate columns. Why not combine them for a cleaner look? And hey, in Power BI, dynamic text is a game changer. We have different methods at our disposal, so let's find the right fit. Now let's talk about concatenate, the old school way of joining two text values. It's simple, reliable, but let's be honest, it's a bit restrictive. It can only handle two values at a time, which feels like trying to carry groceries without a bag. For multiple columns, other functions provide better flexibility. So while concatenate is useful, sometimes we need a better tool for the job. Now say hello to the Ampersand and, our shortcut to concatenation bliss. Unlike concatenate, this handy operator lets us join multiple values without restrictions. It's intuitive, flexible, and widely used. Think of it like a glue stick for your data. It gets the job done without unnecessary complexity. Once you start using it, you might wonder why you ever dealt with concatenate in the first place. A concatenation in Power BI is like crafting a perfect sentence. You need the right words in the right order. Use concatenate for quick merges, but when dealing with groups, concatenatex is the way to go. Always check your data types. Merging an apple with an orange won't end well. Lastly, arrange your columns wisely. Think of it like presenting a well-organized report. Let's make Power BI work smarter, not harder. Errors in concatenation can be frustrating. It's like expecting a perfectly brewed coffee but ending up with cold water. Data type mismatches are a common culprit, so keep an eye on them. Blank values are sneaky troublemakers. They can throw off your results. Make sure you use calculated fields instead of direct references to maintain control. And don't concatenate just for the sake of it. Keep things clean and efficient. A performance matters. If concatenation slows things down, it's time to rethink our approach. Overloading Power BI with excessive concatenations is like adding too much luggage to a tiny scooter. It just won't run smoothly. Instead, use variables to streamline performance. Keep dependencies minimal. We don't want calculations running a marathon for a simple result. Finally, keep an eye on query performance. Think of it as your dashboard speedometer. A concatenation isn't just a technical trick, it's a game changer. Imagine creating reports that are readable and informative. A structured data enhances clarity, making insights easier to digest. Automating reports. Yes, please. Let Power BI do the heavy liftings. And finally, merged data supports decision-making. Because who doesn't love a well-organized dataset that speaks for itself? A concatenation is great, but it's not the only trick up our sleeves. A Power Query is a powerhouse for flexible data transformations. DAX formulas give advanced control, like a chef choosing the perfect spices. Merging columns before import can save processing time. And calculated columns. They're like having a self-updating to-do list, always keeping things dynamic and fresh. And that's a wrap. A concatenation is an essential tool, but using best practices ensures a smooth experience. Avoid common errors. You don't want messy data slowing you down. Performance optimization is key. Nobody likes waiting for sluggish queries. And don't forget, Power BI offers multiple ways to combine columns. Pick the one that best suits your needs. Now let's turn these slides into a stellar presentation. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.